But the sliding is a homicide.
Alright, pause. Now in this video I'm just gonna go show you guys what I did to achieve 550 mega hash mining Ethereum. So this isn't a setup guide or anything like that. If you want to look at those, look at my previous videos. But what I'm going to show you are the parts that I've used to achieve 550. Let's go. So we have a Gigabyte 3080 Ti, a 3070 XC3, an EVGA 3080 Ti, and a Strix 3090. Alright, so I'm using a HP server power supply and an ATX power supply as well. So starting off with the HP server power supply, we got that. We got the breakout board as well with all the pins and the amp rating, the voltage reading. You can get it from Parallel Miner. I'm using a 124 PCIe splitter. You can find it on Amazon. And I'm using a Corsair 850X power supply to run 2 GPUs and the motherboard. The HP server power supply is running the other 2 graphics cards. Alright, I'm getting 320 mega hash on this rig. Let me show you the other one. Alright, this rig is pulling 230 mega hash. The first card we have is a Aorus 3070. The other one is a 3060 Tough. And this is the KO Asus 3070 and a Zotac 3070 Twin Edge. So I'm running 2 ATX power supplies on this one. I should have used a server power supply, but they do take a while to actually ship out. Now the motherboard that I'm using is a MSI Z3090A Pro. Highly recommend this one. And for both rigs, I'm running an i5 9400 CPU. And let me show you the revenue now. So this is on Ethermine pool that I'm using, and just looking at the Ethereum that we're getting daily, 0.00827, and checking it on a monthly basis, we're getting around 25% of an Ethereum, which is pretty high. Monthly 822 USD, and again daily $27. The reported hash rate is 546. This will fluctuate as my cards are LHR. You want the average and the reported hash rate to be very close. Again, my cards do fluctuate because they have LHR, and as you can see on the green line, my rigs are pretty stable and always have uptime. And of course, $27 USD is around $34 Canadian. So yeah, that's all I have for today. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.